Canto,
You ride your car, you ride your car, you ride your
Canto,
know what to make. You ride your car, you ride your car. I'm welcome to week 39 of Radio Kai.
Okay, so we hope you enjoyed last week's show, you know?
Yeah.
And who did we interview last week?
Yeah.
And we'd like to thank Nia from Theatre of Warner for coming here today, last week, to interview us at the end of the month.
Yeah.
And we got all our features this week, haven't we? We got the mystery song, haven't we? And we played 5 different songs from 5 different decades, you know?
Yeah.
And you have to guess which songs they are, yeah? And also today we got Osh here, hello Osh.
Alright.
And you're doing your history today, aren't you?
Yeah.
Where are you off to this week?
It's a surprise.
Oh, we'll have to wait and see for history this week, you know?
Yeah.
And also Ethan's here somewhere as well, he's in the building somewhere. And he's got his garage ready, hasn't he, Osh?
Yeah.
He's got his line of garage ready for you. And Lisa's here as well, and she's got her chart show up and running.
Hey.
Hasn't she gone?
Yeah.
And we got the news booth with Max and Peace. And yeah. And also we got our interview for this week, haven't we, mate?
Yeah.
Where are we going? And who interviewing this week?
Bam.
And he coaches Jay with rugby, and the rugby happens between 3:15 and 4:15, you know?
Yeah.
And if you want to join along, yeah, Osh. And the downside of it, your parents have to be there, you know?
Yeah.
That's the only downside of it.
And the theme is 80s this week. We're going to have 2010s music next week, right, boys?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we're off to the decade today, you know?
Yeah.
And
We're
off to the 10s next week.
Yeah, we're off to the 80s today, aren't we?
Yeah.
So we've got Spirit in the Sky by Dr. and the Medics, you know?
Yeah.
And that's starting us off our 80s show today.
Sky by Dr. Marriott.
That is a great song from the ACZ on.
Yeah.
And now here's our mystery song for this week. Well, we got a little twist, haven't we, for the
Yeah.
mystery song today? This week it's all latest music here on.
Yeah.
So our mystery song for today is all latest songs. And we're doing it a little different, aren't we?
Yeah.
We're going to do 80 songs from a year from the 80s, aren't we, Phil?
Yeah.
We're not going to say the year until after a couple of songs head on.
Yeah.
Let's kick off the mystery song for this week, head on.
Yeah.
Here comes the mystery voice.
Mystery Boy. Mystery Boy.
Here's our first song for this week.
Song number 2 for this week.
Song number 3 for this week.
Song number 4 week. Song number 5 this week.
So we hope we've got all those 5 songs correctly done.
Yeah.
We're not going to say the year, no Wash.
No.
We're not going to say the year, which tracks were these from, no. Until after news round the school, yeah?
Yes.
So we've got the Lightning Seeds coming up next, haven't we, Wash?
There we are.
And you're going to see them soon, aren't you? And we're going to sing us Pure, aren't they, going?
Yeah.
This is Lightning Seeds with Pure.
This is the history. This is the history. Last song was Pure by Lightning Seeds. Hope you enjoy that song. Now we've got the history. This week we're going all the way to America. In America, I'm going to be speaking about, well, a little bit of everything, but it's Bruce Springsteen to start with, I think. So yeah, we've got Bruce Springsteen history this week. Yes, boys?
Yeah, we have. Haven't
Yes.
we, John?
Mm.
And sorry for the audio quality. We're in a different location in a minute. Due
Yes.
to technical difficulties at our main area at the moment.
Yes. People making a noise anyway, as you do.
It's just our Windows update, the other one.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
let's just blame it on Windows update.
Yeah. So anyway, so it's about Bruce Springsteen. So I'll read it out now. So it's born in the USA. This is the 7th studio album by the American singer, songwriter. Like everyone knows, it's Bruce Springsteen. I'm not saying about him. Released on June 4th, 1985 by Columbia Records. It was produced by, again, Bruce Springsteen. Whole band, so it's just John Lando, Steven Lanzan, and Chuck Plotter, and recorded in New York City with the E Street Band over 2 years between January 1982 and March 1984. Some of the songs originated from the demo type from Springsteen's previous album, Nebraska, 1982. The recording season yelled between 70 and 90 songs. Some were released as B-sides of a show release on complicated albums, while a number remained unreleased. Born in the USA sounds more pop influence than Springsteen's earlier albums. Its product is typically of mainstream 1987 rock music with a heavy use of synthesizer and a prominent snare drum. The lyrics contrast with the album lively song and continues the theme explored on previous records, particular Nebraska topics, including working class struggles. Yeah, you know the gist of it now. Anyway, of Springsteen from the behind against the backdrop of the American flag has appeared on the list of best album covers. The album was launched with an extensive promotion campaign that included 7 singles, 5 music videos and 3 dance remixes. It was a Wonderworld commercial success and became the best-selling album in 1985 worldwide. Good. I'm just adding that. Topping the chart in the nice countries, including the USA, the UK, all the singles including Dancing in the Dark, Born in the USA, I'm on Fire, and Glory Days, and lots more. I'm not telling you all of them. It's a secret. Anyway, so also following the conclusion of the River Tour in September 1981, Bruce Springsteen rented a reach in Colts Neck, New Jersey, while they wrote new material, including a song Vietnam about a Vietnam veteran returning to an empathetic community. During the tour, Springsteen had read Born on the 4th of July in 1967, autobiography by Ron Kovic, an anti-war activist who was rounded a parasite during the Vietnam War, like I said earlier on. But obviously, anyway, and a lot of songs called Working on the Highway, Born in the USA, Born to Run, well, and they got Land of Hope and Dreams, Nebraska, Atlantic City, Down by Train, and lots more. So, anyway, that's enough about talking about the music, shall we? So, in April, Springsteen and the E Street Band regrouped at the power station in New York City. 22 where the River 1980 had been recorded at 23 times that he attempted to record some for the Cold Snack demo as full band version for release on the next album 2020 to 24. No, it is not this year. Product was handled by Springsteen, Lando, Van Zandt and the River Mix, Chuck Plotkin, but Toby Scott returned from the Hit Factory season as engineer. Okay, that's enough talking about this engineer thing, shall we? Anyway, so he lives in... Where he live, Dion?
In New Jersey, I think, yeah?
Yes, it's New Jersey. In America, New Jersey. And he's going around all this world to perform his own songs to everyone. So how kind is that of him, making him time to be singing to every people in every world, except you know who places. But anyway, it's very good. But next week I'll be reading about, I think Elvis, or I think something to do with this UK, Italy, or that kind of thing. But I don't know who again.
There might be a bit of a delay next week, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah.
With the rollout of the show.
Yeah, but if
we're not saying anything yet, are we?
No.
It might come out, it might not.
Yeah. But if we're not doing it, I'll record it next week because I might be not in the mood the following week. So, Dion can say that more about news on the school and that on the week. But
yeah.
Anyway, so I'll do the history next week, but the week after probably, because we're going to the Beatles Museum. Ha ha ha! I'm joking. It's not the Beatles Museum. It's the Pop Museum in Liverpool.
Yeah, it is.
And we're probably going to be passing the Beatles Museum. Very good. And we're going to the dock and that kind of thing. So I hope you enjoyed the history, and I'll see you when I see you, and goodbye from now, and I hope you enjoy the next song. The next song is, there's a surprise coming for the history next week, by the way, and I hope you're going to be enjoying it. But this week, the next song is going to be apparently Shakin' Stevens' Old House. But should I say, this old house? No, it isn't. It's this old school. No, it's This Old House by Shakin' Stevens. Goodbye from now, and I'll see you next week.
This old house wants new children. This old house wants new wife. This old house was home of comfort as we focused on life. This old house once rang with laughter. This old house heard many shots. Now she trembles in the darkness when the lightning walks around her. Ain't gonna leave this house no longer. Ain't gonna leave this house no more. Ain't got time to fix the shingles. Ain't got time to fix the floor. Ain't got time on the hinges. No two men, no window pane. Ain't gonna need this house no longer. She's to get ready to meet the same. Yeah. This old house is getting shaky. This old house is getting old. This old house lets in the rain. This old house lets in the cold. On my knees, I'm getting chill. But I feel no pain. All I see an angel beat through is a broken window pane. Ain't gonna leave this house no longer. Ain't gonna leave this house no more. Ain't got time to fix the shingles. Ain't got time to fix the door. Ain't got time on the hinges. No two men, no
Here's Great American Railroad Journeys with Ethan. Summer's over, winter is coming, and more models is ready until December arrives, with Lionel's new Vision model underway. Welcome to What's New in O-Gauge for Autumn 2025. Yes, we're including custom runs for dealers this time. Let's start with Lionel with their September 2025 catalog. Everything is all included in one small catalog. From the O&Os, my favorite has to be the Southern Railway Zone AO Loco number 1848, the War Bonds advertising locomotive. Then we got the ET44. Can't say my favorite, but I would say the Wisconsin Central, the Canadian National Heritage Unit. And then we got the new E8A and B units. Oh wait, there's only the A unit. Available with coaches for the National Limited, the Old Dominion, the Orange Blossom Special, the Louisiana Eagle with an F7 with its booster unit, and the Burlington Northern Executive Train. Oh yeah, and there's also other variants like for the Pennsy, Wabash, and Canadian Pacific. There's the SD80 Max, not to be also known as the Big Max. My favorite has to be Conrail. Yeah, Conrail quality. And then we got the new passenger cars. These are the exhibit cars of the Norfolk Southern, the Southern Railway, and the Golden Spike Centennial Expo. New freight cars like the flat cars, the coal hoppers, and the boxcars. And we got to the Line Chief 2.0 plus 060 switcher, available in Southern Pacific, Canadian National, Central Georgia, U.S. Navy, and Union Pacific, which ironically has the running number with 4466, which is a real S6, but it's a tender engine, not a tank engine. And then we got the 027 full dome passenger cars, and the Lionel Lines Bluetooth speaker box car for both Lionel Lines in either maroon or black with graffiti on it. And then we got some custom buildings like the guitar shop and a small shop. And basically, on to MTH, what do they have? A 462 Pacific, Heavy Pacific from the USRA for Boston and Maine Railroad for B&F Hobbies. The locomotive will be retailed at $1399.99. And then moving on to MTH again, we still got the all-new Frail King 460 actually, and Overton passenger cars. Overtons are pretty common in HO, G scale, and N scale, but not O scale. But this one really takes the cake. Chef's kiss. Mwah. And then we got the Menards. Oh boy, they got the new Dino Express, which features a custom Dino Loco, 2 gondolas, and a hopper car with dinosaur figures and a nice little Jeep colored to be dinosaur. It's going to be camouflage. It'll be retailed for $266.99. That's at 11% rebates. Or the everyday price is $299.99. It's basically $33 knocked off the list. And that's all for What's New in O-Gauge. We got Lacey's charts coming up. But before that, I am waiting for the next Lionel Vision Line Loco, because their catalog is coming on the 3rd week of December, similar to the other times. We already got the Triplex, we got the Hudson. What's next on the list?
The last I was Raw by Katy Perry. Now we've got the charts. At number 5 we got Soda Pop by Soulja Boys. At number 4 we got Where Is My Husband by Ray. At number 3 we got Something in the Heavens by Lewis Capaldi. At number 2 we got Man I Need by Olivia Dean. And number 1 we got Golden by Huntrix. Fortunately we can't play it for you because it will cause copyright and we'll get struck easily.
Okay, thank you, Lacey, for your charts today. And now we got the Jokes Master back with us. Hey, Keanu, it's been a while, hasn't it?
Yeah.
How are you?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
And have we got your joke book back with us today?
No, I'll just use my mind.
Oh, okay.
What do you call ghost boobies?
Don't know.
Don't know. You know what?
No.
Paranormal entities.
Oh,
Hold on.
come on. Have we got any more jokes?
What do you call a bull who waves goodbye to his son?
Don't know. You know, Dom?
Don't know.
You know what?
No.
By son.
Well, so we go.
Why can't giraffes clip their toenails?
Oh, do
Don't
you know, Dom?
No.
Because their neck is too tall.
Ah.
What did the rag say to the other rag?
Don't know. You know, Dom?
No.
Let's rack it off.
Any more jokes today?
That's it.
Okay, thank you, Kian, for coming along. You know,
Yeah.
say thank you.
Thank you, Kian.
I know.
And now we're moving on to our next song, aren't we? What
Yeah.
is our next song, Dom?
My Theme by Billy Ocean.
It's a good classic from the 80s, yeah.
Yeah.
Hope you enjoyed that 80s special today, you know.
Yeah.
And let's continue with the music.
Who's that lady coming down the road? Who's that lady? Who's that woman walking through my door? What's the score? I'll be the sun shining on you. Hey, Cinderella.
tunes from around the school.
That was Get Out of My Dreams by Billy Ocean. Heard that one song before? No. Well, I beat you to it. I heard that song before. So, we got news around the school now. So, let's see what's the news around the school this week, shall we? So last week, we done a Macmillan Coffee Morning. And they raised £500 for Macmillan Cancer. So, Caintree, that is. So, well done for you, and I really enjoyed the cakes. Did you make them? Very good.
Those cakes are delicious, isn't it, boys?
That is.
Very good.
Oh, yeah. Anyway, so, also, last Wednesday, Kate Pimp has gone to Ystod Gloca to do Careers Wales something on last Wednesday.
What's next? It's called What's Next.
Yes, and I hope you enjoyed that, because I haven't been there, and stop making me jealous. Now, number 4, there is rugby on last Wednesday, and every Wednesday from 3:15 until 4:15. Oh, also, I'm just saying, this is a downside of it. The parents have to stay, well, someone anyway, your guardian have to stay with you. But other than that, everything else is nice and fun. Number 4, there is Youth Club in Holyhead every Thursday, 6:30 until 8:30. And there is also, I just want to crop this up, there's Youth Club for over 18-year-olds now. Yeah, I know, I have to go there myself next month. Anyway, so, there is Youth Club probably 6:30 until 8:30. And I hope you're enjoying that. It's in the library in Holyhead at 6:30 until 8:30. So I hope you enjoyed it. Now, there is Cafe Raig on Friday, and they're doing very nice actually, teriyaki chicken noodles in the cafe this week, and it's really nice. Actually, I'm going to have it myself. I'm so excited for it, because it's not Izzy who's cooking it this week. I think it's Chloe, Mr. Holland or something, I don't know.
Chloe's the best cook.
How do you know that?
She's actually smart, isn't it, Chloe?
Oh, Lacey, oh no. I won't tell Izzy that. Oh, yes I am.
Don't you dare.
Okay.
Izzy's the best cook.
Okay. Anyway, so I hope you enjoyed these news around the school, and I hope everyone's having a great on Friday on the teriyaki chicken food, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the radio show. So in the next song we got Americans by Holly Johnson. But why does it have to be around or after the news around the school? Because I'm planning to do the history about America. Anyway, moving on. It's Johnson Dolan's fault. Anyway, so I hope you enjoy the rest of the radio and the interview. See you next week.
Magic kingdom filled with Bobby doll.
In the land of the free, you can be what you wanna be.
Was Americano by Johnson.
Okay, thank you, Dawn. And now here's your mystery song answers. Yeah, go on.
Yeah.
We put a little twist to the mystery song this week, haven't we, Osh?
Yeah, we have.
So we're not doing the classic decades like what we do all the time, no?
No.
Well, we got a year this time, haven't we, Dawn?
Yeah.
A year of music. So, what was our first song, Dawn?
Dancing in the Feet by Derry Barry.
And our second song was Road to Nowhere by Talking Heads, the other one
Yeah.
from this year. And what was our third song today, Dawn?
I Got You Babe by O40.
UB40, the other one.
Yeah.
And our fourth song is Walk of Life by the Dire Straits, the other one.
Yeah.
And what was our fifth and final song, Dawn?
Good Heart by Shepard Faunus.
Okay, now thank you, Dawn. And what was the year, Dawn, of these amazing tracks?
1985.
1985, what is this year, Yosh?
Yes, it is.
And we hope you got the year correct of the music on this 80 special, the other one.
Yeah.
And now here's Osh with the leaderboard answers.
Yes. So this week we got the football badge picture quiz. So I hope you've done it really well. Now we got the leaderboard. So number 9 we got Cynradd Pedwar. They got 0 out of 15. I mean, they're not even trying, actually. Number 8 we got Cynradd Dau. Got 1 out of 15. 7 we got Care of Music. We got 2 out of 15. Then we got number 6. We got Dwayne Manuel, I think, got 2 out of 15 as well. Cynradd Pimp got 3 out of 15. Number 4 we got Canolid, got 4 out of 15. Number 3 we got Llwyfr, got 6 out of 15. Number 2 we got Caint Tree, they got 12 out of 15. And with number 1 we got Caintin, they got 15 out of 15. And then...
Hold on. Cainton should be banned for the leaderboard until they learn not how to cheat. Is that right, boys?
Yes.
So they'll be banned, they'll be banned starting from next week at all. Well, I'm going to have to punish Cainton for a month, apparently. Is that right?
Yes. So, Caint Pimp, but really it's just Peter. He's trying today, and he had 15 out of 15. Well done. So, well, you got 15 out of 15, so you thought. And sorry, Peter, but you got 14 out of 15. But well done to trying. Oh, now we got Caint Pedwar. They got 15 out of 15. Also, Cynradd, they got 15 out of 15. And also, every time we got this, number 1, we got Cynradd Dau. They got 15 out of 15. Well done. And Cynradd got 15 out of 15. So I hope you would enjoy the leaderboard for this week. And I'll see you back for next week's leaderboard. The next song, it is You Can Call Me Out by Paul Simon, apparently. Never heard of that song before, but I hope you enjoy it.
A man walks down the street, he says, why am I soft in the middle now? Why am I soft in the middle? The rest of my life is so hard. I need a photo opportunity. I want a shot at redemption. Don't want to end up a cartoon in a cartoon graveyard. Bone digger, dogs in the moonlight. Far away, my well-lit door. Mr. Beer Melly, get these mutts away from me, you know. I don't find this stuff amusing anymore. If you'll be my bodyguard, I can be your long lost pal. I can call walks down the street, he says, why am I short of attention? Got a short little span of attention, and whoa, my nights are so long. Where's my wife and family? What if I die here? Who'll be my role model now that my role model is gone, gone? He ducked back down the alley with some roly-poly little bat-faced girl. All along, there were incidents and accidents, there were hints and allegations. If you'll be my bodyguard, I can be your long-lost pal. I can call you Daddy, and Daddy, when you call me, you can call me out, call me out. Man walks down the street, it's a street in a strange world. Maybe it's the third world, maybe it's just first time around. Doesn't speak language, he holds no currency. He is a foreign man, he is surrounded by the sound. Cattle in the marketplace, scatterlings and orphanages. He looks around, he sees angels in the architecture, spinning in infinity. He says, amen, hallelujah. If you'll be my bodyguard, I can be your long-lost pal. I can call you Daddy, and Daddy, when you call me, you can call me out, call me. Na 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 na, 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 na na na. If you'll be my bodyguard, I can call you Daddy. If you'll be my bodyguard, I can call you Daddy.
Hello, Marie. Welcome to this Marie t-shirt and Mexico Canberra. So, Goroka starts music is guest sports. So, Matt and t-shirts to the sports is either twice, probably good. So, guest sport is. So, we have also this is my ham. So basically, we'll go for 5 years for that sort. But it might be. But Max is we'll go for 6 years for that sort. It might. So between the ball 3-1 after that's all it might be, but and you got Chelsea versus Liverpool, so basically I've got 2-1 to Chelsea, back to for the 3-1, either the basically before 2 wonderful Liverpool. It might be that Liverpool all Chelsea, but I'm not sure. And the next one is 1990 and December. And me for it, I'll go for the 2 wonders for December, bit money. And Matt will go for the 2 December. And which one goes for the 3 ones for 1990? Let's like it. Where do I see that? See the musician working. A big one for the 4 deals from Center. And that's for the flying deal from Center. And we're going to go for 3 deals at Center. In the last match, Wolves, this is rising. Big way, I'll go for 1 deal for Wolves, and Bash will go for a 2 deal. It might say 2 deal, but don't know. But, and what's it going to be? 2 ones of ragging. But it might be, but I'm going to give me the challenge. Good. So that's it, that's buying a following game. So it's like a guy who teachers and supervisor, that's the cover.
Funny how I found myself
getting to know you, getting to know all about you.
Or Billy Ocean with that Get Out My Theme.
Okay, so we hope you enjoyed this 80 special of Radio Cab so far. And this week, we couldn't have Don here with us this week. And instead of Don, we got Jay answering his questions for him this week. Hello Jay, how are you today?
Good afternoon, guys. Hope you're having a lovely Thursday afternoon.
We are, thank you.
Good.
Okay, so our first question for you is, where's the furthest place you have played rugby in?
Well, speaking to Dolan, the furthest place he has played is in London, where he played against England.
Is your favourite rugby team and why?
Big supporter of North Wales Rugby, so he supports RGC, who he regards one of the best in North Wales.
Where RGC based from?
They're based in Avis Park in Colwyn Bay.
Sounds good. The other one, Yosh?
Yeah. Do you play video games?
Yes, he does, and his favourite one is Grand Theft Auto 5.
Oh, I bet he's waiting for 6 to come out soon, isn't he?
I reckon he is as well.
Yeah.
Maybe he'll be a lucky boy at Christmas.
Yeah. So the fourth question we got for him is, when did he start playing rugby and football?
So he started playing football in 2012, and as far as I'm aware, I think he's with Carnarvon, their football team, and rugby with Colwyn Bay Stingrays in 2018.
I'd rather Dolan play rugby or football.
Dolan favours rugby because his favourite all-time coach is Jason.
So is it you, yeah?
Yeah, that's me, mate.
Where would you like to go on holiday and why?
Well, Dolan likes to spend a lot of his time over in Newcastle to see his family and friends. So that's his favourite place to go. So
how long does it take to get to Newcastle?
couple of hours, I think, mate.
Yeah.
Cheers for throwing that question in.
You're welcome.
What would Don's favourite takeaway be and why?
They are doner kebabs, and I know for a fact, because just speaking to him, he had one for last night.
Oh.
And he finds them amazing.
Wow.
Doner kebab.
If you was on the island for 3 weeks, what do you take?
Well, he'd take with him his WWE wrestling belt.
Yeah.
A load of pairs of shoes.
Yeah.
And a suitcase full of clothes is his choice of 3 items for the desert island.
Wow. What would your 3 items be, Otto?
My Xbox.
Yeah.
My phone and my food.
What would yours be, Don?
Radio, batteries, clothes.
Mine would be a phone, a charger, and the radio. What would yours be, Jay?
Lifetime supply of kebabs.
Yeah.
Phone with plenty of battery, and a tent.
Well, what would yours be, Ethan?
Plenty of American Flyer S-gauge locomotives of rolling stock, batteries, and a phone.
So our 9th question is, what job does Galan do? Well, he's not coaching.
So throughout the summer and some holidays, he volunteers with the steam engines just in Carnarvon. So I think he needs to have a chat with Ethan.
I think he does, doesn't he, Eve? You'll be interested in that, wouldn't he?
Yeah.
What song could you end the show off?
He would like you to play Ordinary by Alex Warren.
Yeah. Well, we'll put that on for you now, Don. This is Alex Warren with Ordinary. And we'd like to give a massive thank you to Jay, who has covered for Don today. Thank you, Jay.
You're very welcome, boys, and keep up the good work with the show.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
And we hope you enjoyed this 80 special this week. We will be back for week 40 of Radio Kine. So take care for now, and we'll see you next week.
They say the holy water's watered down, and this town's lost its faith. Our colors will fade eventually, so if our time is running out, day after day, we'll make the mundane our masterpiece. Oh my, love. I take one look at you, you're taking me out of the ordinary. I want you laying me down till we're dead and buried, on the edge of your knife, staying drunk on your ride. The angels up in the clouds are jealous knowing we found something so out of the ordinary. You got me kissing the ground of your sanctuary. Shadow me with your touch, oh Lord, return me to dust. The angels up in the clouds are jealous knowing we found hopeless hallelujah on this side of heaven's gate. Oh my life, how do ya breathe and take my breath away? At your altar I will pray, you're the sculptor, I'm the clay. Oh my, you're taking me out of the ordinary. I want you laying me down so we're dead and buried, on the edge of your knife, staying drunk on your vine. The angels up in the clouds are jealous knowing we found something so out of the ordinary. You got me kissing the ground in the sanctuary. Shadow me with your touch, oh Lord, return me to dust. The angels up in the clouds are jealous knowing we found something so heavenly, higher than ecstasy. Whenever you're next to me, oh my, what was in black and white until I saw your light? I thought you had to die to find something so out of the ordinary. How are you laying me down till we're dead and buried, on the edge of your knife, staying drunk on your vine. The angels up in the clouds are jealous knowing we found something so out of the ordinary. You got me kissing the ground in the sanctuary. Shadow me with your touch, oh Lord, return me to dust. The angels up in the clouds are jealous knowing we found.
Okay, so we hope you've enjoyed this week's edition of Radio Carib, and we will see you next week. Bye for now.
Bye.
Café Canto, Radio Carib, Café Canto, Radio Carib.
You're listening to Radio Carib.